Welcome to the BoldSign e-signature tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to use the drawing form field in BoldSign to capture clear visual annotations that get embedded in the final signed document. The drawing form field in BoldSign allows signers to add freehand drawings, shapes, and visual annotations directly within a defined area of a PDF document. This feature is useful when textual input is not sufficient and visual marking is required for better clarity. Consider an insurance company that needs a customer to mark the damaged areas of a car after an accident. Start by logging into BoldSign and selecting Create New Document. Upload the required document. Enter recipient details and click Next to open Configure Fields page. Drag and drop the drawing field onto the section where the customer should mark the damage. Resize the field to cover the full image area so the signer has enough space to draw clearly. Select the drawing field to open Settings. Confirm if it's assigned to the right recipient. If the document includes multiple recipients, switch the assignment here. Leave the field as required, so the signer can't miss it. If multiple drawing fields are used, set unique field IDs to keep everything organized. Next, add a text box near the comments section so the signer can provide a written damage summary. Once done, send the document for signature. Now for the signer experience, the customer opens the email and clicks Review and Sign. Upon selecting the drawing field, the Annotation panel opens. Choose a drawing tool. Pick a color and adjust stroke weight as needed. Mark the damage areas clearly. If a mistake happens, use Undo, Redo, or Clear All. When finished, click Save to apply the annotation to the document. Once signing is complete, the drawings are embedded in the signed document and can't be edited, creating a clear, permanent record. The signer completes the damage summary and finishes the signing process. That's it. The BoldSign drawing field fits insurance claims, inspections, car rentals, injury reports, and any workflow that needs visual clarity for faster decisions and fewer disputes. If this video was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more BoldSign tips. Thank you for watching.